Okay, welcome to the video. This is going to be a really interesting video. We've got GoPro 7 on here, and I just wanted to show you quickly. All right, we've got Natasha here, who's a girly, and with a bike in Bangkok, you can really, you can pick up a lot of pussy. Look at that, Natasha's always trying to pick up some Thai pussy. If you're on a motorbike or a car, you're going to scare the pussy away. So if your goal is to touch some pussy, pick up some pussy, Thai pussy, the bicycle is look at that, just touching it straight away. Just like, not much resistance, a little bit of resistance, a little bit LMR, but so just wanted to show you, demonstrate that Natasha is not some, crazy, whatever, she's a girly girl model, lingerie model, runway model, and she's super girly and she loves riding her bike for transport in Bangkok. So this video, we filmed it in Bangkok, and we're going to have some really good, this is the GoPro 7, I actually filmed this today. So how to ride your bike to work, alright. Cycling tips. So I'm on my commute right now. I've got to get to the office for some YouTube stuff. So I'm in a rush, and I'm always in a rush. I don't have time to be sitting in the car. Like, traffic's banked up. I don't have time to be losing fitness sitting in a car when I could get to my commute as fast or faster on a bicycle, build my VO2 max, build my aerobic capacity, build my mitochondrial efficiency. I'm a busy guy, and sitting in the car, I do that a few times a year. A few times a year I sit in a car. Maybe it's going to the airport and I've got my bike in the back or something. Even then it's very rare I'm in a car. Very rare. I can't remember. It's been months since I've been in a car, I think. And so yeah, it's a little shortcut. Look at that shortcut I just took. All that traffic's got to go all the way around. I took the shortcut, Look at that. And what I like to do as well is I've got a mirror on my bikes, and I'm just really hyper aware. I've got neon top on. I'm visible and I ride assertive. And what I do is I like to draft traffic. Now, get a bit of a slipstream. Should I go around? But yeah, just sit back here. Just get a bit of a slipstream. These vans are really good for drafting off, and I sort of sit on the edge there. If they hit the brakes, I've got a bit of way to go around. But the good thing that I reckon Thai drivers are some of the best in the world, because they're just so considerate. They're so fucking considerate. And so whenever I ride in traffic here, I'm never ever angry. I am never ever angry, because I've never seen a Thai person get angry with me. And just in general, they just there's fucking like the population of Australia in Bangkok. You can't get angry, right? It's all about just finding the gap, fill the gap, tolerance. It's not pushy like in the West. So you might think, you're getting a bit close here, but that's just how you ride here. Yes, that's how you ride here. And it's very rare you hear a beeping horn. It's like maybe once a day I hear someone on the horn. Once a day, maybe. And I've never ever seen road rage in Thailand. I'm sure it happens somewhere, but in 14 years I've never seen it. And so I'm just closing gaps. See, I've got really narrow bars on my bike here. 38 centimeter bars, 3T ergonovas. And so just cutting gaps here. Again, if you're not confident, don't do this. Just pick your line, understand. I've been a bike messenger for years, so just get some experience before you just try and copy this. But definitely could ride Bangkok. Bangkok's very safe to ride, all right? Just take your time and cruise around. And just watch out for gaps in the road. Just fucking pay attention, eh? I mean, so many people aren't paying attention, but what I notice in Asia, especially Thailand, is they really pay attention here. Like, I dropped something in my wallet the other day, and someone picked it up for me straight away. Like, I didn't even see it, and I'm a pretty fucking street smart person. A little bag fell out of my pocket, out of my wallet, and this Thai taxi driver, he said, hey. I was like, what? And he goes, you dropped something. I was like, oh shit, thanks, man. So they're really considerate. And this video is not sped up. This is real time. I want to show you real time footage. Some videos are sped up, blah blah blah. This one's 100% real time footage, just to show you how slow the traffic really is. I mean, look how many people have passed. I'm passing hundreds of people in this commute, and then boom, I'm back to the start, the front. I'm back to the front. All those people behind me, you know what I mean? And there's always a rogue taxi driver who's going to cut the red, all right? So don't just go, it's green light, means I can go. No, if you have that mentality, then you're going to have a bad accident, all right? So there's no traffic rules in Thailand other than be respectful and pay attention. So I'm cutting the red here, no worries. And look at that, look at me. They all cut the green, but the other guys are cutting it. You're going to see some hectic footage in here. So this is a really fast section of road in Bangkok. This is super fast. All these motorbikes they're doing 60, 70k an hour. They're just like launching off the front. There's a massive convoy of traffic behind me. It's hilarious. It's fucking awesome. And so this is a very fast section of road. And I generally accelerate quite fast off the lights, because I'm aware that I'm at the front. So I accelerate hard off the lights, in the saddle, always in the saddle, in case the chain slips or whatever. You don't want to be crashing with 50 motorbikes behind you. So I stay in the saddle, and always start in easy gear. All right, so that's a big tip as well, is it reduces drivetrain wear. Just when I hit the lights, I shift down to an easy gear, and so then I can just accelerate really hard, high power off the lights. You don't want high torque, you want high power. High cadence, 120 off the lights, boom! And I'm accelerating almost as fast as the motorbikes. These guys are going it's full tilt, so they're hooking along. And that's what I love about compact cranks or the 4630, especially the 46. I'm in the big ring all day, baby. In the big ring all day, baby. You know? Baby in the big ring. So it's just fantastic like that. The 4630 is like the best cranks that I reckon. And 38cm bars of Bangkok, definitely 38s. I mean, you obviously can ride any bar you want, but if you want to close gaps, squeeze gaps like this, then 38s for sure. Maybe even 34s if you could find some 34s. And please have brakes, man. People riding fixed gear, it's just like fucking suicide, man. Seriously. Fixed gear bikes, man, especially in a place like Bangkok, you really don't value your life too much, or you don't value your family's opinion of you. That's just, please use brakes, man. That's just nuts. That's just nuts. And so I've always got my hands near my brakes as well. In the drops, generally I'm in the hoods, in the tops on my brakes, just because you have a bit more high vantage point. This bike is very slammed, so it can be a little bit hard to navigate, to see what's going on, around you in terms of the skyline there. Just with a quick yawn. All right, back to normal. So this is the GoPro 7, very smooth. The roads here are pretty smooth. There's a bit of gaps. I'm using 28mm front tyre, which I do recommend. If I lived in Bangkok, I'd probably run 32s in the front. But then again, whatever, any bike's better than no bike. So this is the setup here: narrow bars, slam position, good to go, and always easy gear off the lights, high power, high cadence, things like that. Stay left, very good to go. And so we're coming up here. This is on our left is Benjasiri Park. And we're coming to another big traffic junction here. This is Sukhumvit coming up. And I just love all these people in the forums who are like, oh my God, Bangkok, you wouldn't ride a bike. And look at it. Why wouldn't you ride a bike? Look how slow the traffic is. So slow. Like, you know what I mean? There's so many people behind me. Think all these people way behind me at the other lights. You know what I mean? In taxi, there's people who are like ages away from me. Ages away from me. I'm going to turn right here. So, again, this is just experienced cycling, and it's super safe. Super safe, Natasha rides Bangkok, it's just all the crew ride Bangkok. If you're not riding Bangkok, it's like, why not? What are you scared of, bro? It's super safe. I am not a risk taker. I always wear a helmet, I always run gloves. I'm always paying fucking attention. Always pay attention. Car door, another thing in Bangkok as well, people don't just sling their car doors open. In Australia, in America, they just throw the car door right open. In Bangkok, you do that, you're going to get a motorbike taxi, rip your door off. So here, 99% of the time, the drivers are very, very attentive to car doors because there's so many motorbikes filtering through traffic, salmoning through traffic. So here, the car door element's not as risky. I'm still wary of car doors, but in Australia, you never ride in the door zone. You're asking for trouble. Always take the lane, take the lane. So here we're coming up. This is Sukhumvit Road. Above me is the BTS SkyTrain, and it's like a rail system. I'm faster than that. I'm definitely faster than that. Look at the speed I'm going at compared to the traffic. And above us would be a train, but the train has to stop every few hundred meters to pick up passengers. And so I'm just hurtling along here. And I'm not even going full gas, because I don't want to get too sweaty for my appointment. So it's all good on the hood. And just cruising along here, just very smooth. And the tarmac on the Sukhumvit, very nice and smooth. Very, very good quality. It's just, fantastic stuff. I definitely rate it. It's, so that's the gaps right there. 38 centimeter bars. Thanks for coming. I've got one foot in the gutter. I've got my Nike Next Percents on, and then boom, I'm like, the traffic light. I hate traffic lights. Oh, here we go. Here's the pirate rogue taxi driver. There's always one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get his wheel. I'm going to use him as a shield, and there we go. And then when he goes, I'm going to shield him. I'm going to look like that acceleration. Bang! I was probably doing 1,000 watts there. Look how much power he put down accelerated. That's a pretty high powered scooter. I was doing literally 1,000 watts in the saddle, and he's look at that gap. So, very experienced taxi driver there. He's dropping the passenger off, and boom, caught him. You know what I mean? Now she's going to pull her pocket out, get money out. See ya, bum, done. My trip didn't cost me nothing. I burned calories. I built fitness. I got it done. I built, It's just like, why would you sit on a motorbike or a car when you can ride a bike? It's just crazy, man. It's like, get fit. burn fat, not oil. I mean, cars and stuff are handy, but for 99% of the time, I'm using my bicycle, or get an e-bike even. And then the traffic, for some weird reason, the traffic's very light. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if it's a holiday or something, but the traffic's very light. Maybe I'll show you some footage later on when the traffic gets hectic. And I'm like, you know what, I need a little sweet drink, so I'm going to stop at Family Mart. Look at that parking. Look at the parking right there. There's durianrider. Durianrider, mate. Jesus. So you can see I've got neon socks on, neon helmet. I thought I was wearing a neon shirt. I was wearing a grey shirt. Not the best choice for safety, but neon helmet, neon socks, neon shoes. Not too shabby. Not too shabby for safety. All right, gap in traffic. Let's boost across. Again, not even paying attention to traffic lights. Otherwise, you're going to spend there 10 hours looking at them. Never go with traffic lights. Always go with safety. All right. People just see a green light and don't even look before they cross the road. They just assume, well, the light's green, that means it's safe, right? No. Look before you cross the road. Look left, look right again, look left again. There's a gap. Ooh, big power, look at that. Big power. Hold it. There's a big truck behind me, I think. Or a car, whatever. And I'm just, so it's big power. Zzz, just overtaking the bus, man. We are launching 800 watts. Launching 800 watts. And then there's tuk-tuks are great to draft. Zzz, beep, beep. The tuk-tuks are fantastic. So yeah, I'm going to give a little draft here. And it's just so much fun, man. You feel alive. I'm 42. I feel like I'm fucking 8 years old riding in Bangkok. It's so much fun, man. It makes you young at heart, Not taking risks, paying attention, use my mirror, use a bit of hand signals, and I'm giving all the drivers thumbs up, sweaty carp, all good. No aggression at all. Zero aggression for me at all, alright? Zero aggression here. The drivers are super chill, man. You got to ride in Thailand and understand how chill they are here. All these guys are elite kickboxers, pretty much, man. Pretty much every guy you pass or passes you could be like a world champion, Thai national, Isan kickboxer. Seriously. Pretty much all the guys kickboxers here. They kick the shit out of you. But everyone's super chill. It's incredible, man. You got 50 kilo guys, 55 kilo kickboxers that destroy 100 kilo forang. So it's fantastic. But there's no ego here, man. It's just like mad chill. It's just really, really refreshing and awesome. It's fucking awesome, man. In Australia, right up this, people like, oh, Thailand, it's like, yeah, good work, mate, keep going. So this motorbike here, this looks like a courier. And these guys, they're very good drivers, very, very skilled. But again, their bikes are too wide. They can't really fill the gaps that I can. So I'm not sure if I'll catch this right driver ahead, but I'm just moving along. So I'm getting fit, man. I'm getting fucking fit. Imagine sitting in a taxi, building a cellulite, building a fat ass, building a gut. Or you can be on your bike, burning cellulite, burning your legs, burning your gut. Look at that. There's a gap there. Boom, squeeze through. That's the perfect example. 38 centimeter bars, just squeezing that little gap there. And, squeezing it on a motorbike, no helmet, dangerous. Please wear a motorbike helmet. Please wear a helmet when you're on a bike, rather. Don't risk it, man. Don't risk it. But it's just an example. We haven't seen any old grandmas today, but we do often see the daily grandma in Bangkok riding a bike around. She's generally riding against traffic. But it's just an example. And anyone and everyone can cycle in Bangkok. It's safe as fuck. Look at this. This is safety, man. I'm going to go left here, back down another street. Look at the traffic. It's not even really that busy. The taxi driver, it's just so fucking chill here. Like, there's just no rage, man. And I'm not raging. I'm in a total state of like peace and tranquility. Peace and tranquility. This is a very fast section of road here. I've got a book in there for the accountant. Got to see the accountant today. So there you go. That's a little pause that one there, and then we're back on the road again. This is towards St. Klung Toi Market. And look at again, passing all the traffic. Look at all the traffic. Zzz, everyone's stuck in. Oh, come on, car, move along. Now, obviously, I'm not going to give any hand gestures. I'm not like, come on, keep going. I'm not that. That's not my job. I'm a tourist here in Thailand. I don't complain about nothing here. I'm just like, I'm an observer in that car's little Mazda. Go. So there's a police officer there. I'm going to hit to the front of the line there. And there's a whole stack of people on my right. Massive, epic stack of people on the right. So this is unreal footage in terms of, I don't think there's anything like this on YouTube right now. GoPro 7, high quality, and bang, off the lights. Look at the acceleration I had. The motorbikes, I'm doing 1,000 watts again. I love hitting 1,000 watts. I call it a ton off the lights. 1,000 watt boost off the lights. Hit a ton, mate. Give it a ton off the lights. High cadence. Klong Toi market. This big meat market on the left here. Big fruit market as well. Past the cyclists there. So you can just see, man, it's just super chill. And the misinformed people on the forum, go to the Thai visa forums, and it's like, oh, cycling Bangkok, oh, you wouldn't do that, that's crazy. Look at that chick side saddling on the blue helmet there. Look, sitting on a motorbike side saddled, heels and a skirt. I mean, I'd fall off in 5 seconds. Again, getting to the front of the line. All right, look at what's going on here. You know what I mean? Where's the lights? It's like, what? It's every person for themselves. And it's all about respect here. So this is what's going on here. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, where's the lights? All I'm doing is waiting for the rogue taxi driver to approach me on my right or left, and I'm going to follow his line. Go like, where's the taxi driver? 3, 2, 1. Start again. 3, 2, 1. There's going to be someone's going to cut the light. Here we go. This guy's pulled up on my left. There we go. There we go. You know what I mean? So now we're cutting reds, and let's follow these two guys. They're going to get on the wheel. They're accelerating mad hard. I'm doing 1,000. Look at 1,000 watts they're pulling away from me. 1,000 watts in sneakers, and they're just gapping me hard. There's a big truck to my left, so I'm just going to stand to the right. I'm going to let the truck go to my left. Here we go. Here's the big truck, and I'm going to try to get a bit of a slipstream here. Just a bit of a slipstream sling. And it's 2 trailers, all right? So remember that. Sometimes the fucking truck's got 2 trailers. Don't just pull into it, because the second trailer's going to run you over and splat you. Always just pay attention. So I've got a bit of a slipstream there, give a bit of a draft, and then just sling that into this little bridge lane here. It's just a vortex drops off, and just sling it into that little, under this bridge here. This bridge is pretty epic. It's like a 2-lane, but look at that architecture. It's pretty epic. Smooth roads. And think all those people way behind me. You know what I mean? Stuck in traffic, getting fatter. Durianrider, flowing through traffic, getting faster, getting fitter. Why the fuck would you ride your bike, drive your car to work, rather? Or why wouldn't you ride your bike to work? It's insane. It's insane. You know, the people out there just stuck in traffic, man. That's just insane. And we're back at the sort of underpass bridge. We're going to do another shortcut. Man, time-saving shortcuts. Another little shortcut there. Look left, look right, look for trains. Number 1 rule for Durianrider, always pay attention. Doesn't matter how tired you are, or you're hungry, or you're thirsty, you've got a sore neck, whatever, always fucking pay attention. Your life depends on it, and so do other people's lives. Always pay attention. Always be seen. Alright? Always pay attention. Look around. Observe your surroundings at all times. I've seen horrific accidents, people get killed, etc. because they're not paying attention. They're driving a car, riding a motorbike, riding a bicycle, walking across the street, not paying attention to the footpath there. Footpath option, just to show you. I don't really like rate the footpaths, but occasionally you're going to go up a footpath just to squeeze it, look over my shoulder. I'm always checking my shoulder, I'm checking my mirror. I'm just like hyper aware what's around me. Hyper aware. I'm riding like a Thai taxi driver. Just boom, you know, always aware. I looked over my shoulder then as well before I overtook the pink taxi. Left here, hand signal. I do like to use hand signals. It's just courtesy, especially in a situation like this. This is where I'm staying. This is the Royal Navin Towers here in Bangkok. Klung Toi. And it's a car park down there. Just park your bike. Don't even lock it, man. Just jump it down there. No worries, mate. No worries. Beautiful. How to commute? Just start doing it. Do it today. Ride your bike. Leave it early. Get it done.